Hey, I'm Hugh, and welcome to Hugh's Scam Products. We're here today to talk about a free tactical recon drone commercial that I saw on YouTube by Waking Up Healthy. But first, I just want to say thanks to everybody that likes, subscribes, and comments to my videos. It really means a lot. It boosts me up the algorithm and makes sure that when people search for these scam products, they find my videos towards the top. So it means a lot. I know you hear it from every freaking YouTuber out there, and it's annoying. But it's how this system works, so I gotta say it. All right, free tactical recon drones, people. Yes, free drones. You know, we've been all misled by, these drones that cost $100. They're gonna give them to us for free now, so we can see what kind of pieces of crap they are for free. Just pay shipping. So, why are they giving us these free drones?
You're probably wondering why we're giving away a few of these for $0. It's part of our safety and adventure promotion. And each time we do a giveaway, the stories we get from our customers are priceless.
Oh, okay. Because they want us to share our stories? And this is the drone company, right? No, this is a website, Waking Up Healthy, that generally has food and nutrition related content. So it seems like they're just advertising for somebody else. Oh, when you click on the link, when you go to claim your drone, it does take you somewhere else. It takes you to Next Gen Hype Products or something. And here is where you enter your credit card information. And look, the free drone just got even cheaper. If you use your MasterCard, they'll give you it for $7.95, a 30% discount, which I'm not a math major, but it's like a 20% discount around there. You know, when you go from $10 to $8, that's 20%. If you went from $10 to $7, that would be 30%. So their math's a little off. Maybe, maybe they're just trying to get rid of these drones for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, let's enter credit card information in. No, we're not going to do that. Sorry. We're going to go check the terms and conditions and see what it says. And, about the fourth paragraph into the terms and conditions, it says, by clicking and paying $9.95 and agreeing to get this free drone, you are going to automatically be enrolled in the exclusive Warehouse Direct store for a small monthly fee of $89.85 a month. Wow, that free drone, that was a $249 value.
There are no hidden charges, no surprises, nothing but the shipping.
On the ad. And then on the website, it said it was a free $80 drone. So already, they're getting down. So that free $80 drone is going to cost you $89 plus the $7.95 shipping. It's going to cost you $96 for an $80 drone already. But wait, we are not done. The next paragraph, you're also going to be enrolled in a 3-day trial membership for the Elite Force Fit app. I don't even know what this is. It's probably some app has to do with weight training or something else, but if you don't cancel that within 3 days, they're going to charge you an additional $82.45 to your credit card. So within 3 days of ordering this free drone, you're going to have $180 worth of charges on your credit card. For a drone, this drone that you can get for $15 on AliExpress or Banggood, you can get for free on Temu if you're a new user. Don't get me started on Temu as a scam. But anyway, you can buy it on Amazon for 25 bucks. It doesn't have a 4K camera. It's brushed drones. It's garbage. So you're going to be paying $180 for a free drone. Unless you cancel that within the 3 days, which nobody ever knows. Because it doesn't say anywhere else that you know. And the commercial said there was no hidden charges. But this website has hidden charges. So that's false advertising, right? In the terms and conditions, like, hey, if our advertisers are lying to you, report it to us here, in this phone number here. But it's way in the back in the hidden terms and conditions, in the hidden charges that they're giving you. So it's not a free drone. It's going to cost you a lot of money, especially if you don't cancel those memberships. And you are getting charged. It says you're definitely getting charged for that exclusive Warehouse Direct store. You're getting charged for that. The other one, you have 3 days to cancel, so you might not get charged. But at minimum, you're getting charged $100 for an $80 drone that's really worth, 15 to 20 bucks. So it's a scam. thanks to everybody that made it this far in the video. You know, I have other videos on this exact drone. They've been using it for years in different names and different scams. Has crappy video. Go check out the old videos if you want to. You know, like over 6,000 subs right now. I appreciate that. This time last year, I was just getting close to 1,000. So, you know, I really appreciate everybody who's been here. I appreciate all the positive comments, all the negative comments. You know, you're entitled to your opinion, but you're probably wrong. You know, if you don't feel you are, you can write it in the comments. I debate people all the time who think that I'm wrong. You know, if you say, I didn't have the product and I don't know what I'm talking about. You know, I have the Ab Energizer thing. I have the Alpha Heat heater. I have the Mr. Cool heater. I buy these things, but it's not worth making follow-up videos because it's exactly what I said in the video. And why would I make a follow-up video about a product that I already made a video about just to show that I'm right? That's like gloating or something. Like, that's a waste of my time, and it's a waste of your time for me to make a video going, hey, this is a scam, and then to make the exact same video going, hey, this is a scam. So that's why I don't do it. I have all these crappy products around here. It's the Ab thing hurts when you use it. It's not fun, you know, like, oh man. Anyway, have a good day.